Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can set the border color in CSS. So it's very easy. To set the border color, use the border color property. So herein we have a simple example with title as CSS example set border color. With that we have heading 1 and a paragraph tag, that's it. So we will set the border for the P tag. For that, under head tag, type style. This is the style tag to add CSS. Since we need to add under P tag, we will use the following. Now let us set the border color. Let's say it's orange, but to make it visible, we need to also set the border style. That's it. Let's say solid. Now I'll click on file and I'll click on save. I'll refresh it. This is the same amit2.html, and herein we have set the border color to orange. We can change it to blue, let's say. Save it and refresh it. You can also set the border width using the border hyphen width property. Let's say it's 4px. Let me align it, and that's it. Saved, refresh, and that's it. Okay. Now herein you can also add hexadecimal code. Let's say you want for black. So I'll type hash 000000 and save it. And here it is. It is black. Now how will you find the hexadecimal code? It's very easy. Okay. Herein go to type. Let's say hexadecimal for blue. So you will find it directly here on any website. A lot of websites are providing it. So just copy this code, blue. Okay, just right click and paste it here and save it. It will be blue now. So this was our code. I'll refresh it. So this was our code. I'll refresh it. It will be blue now, blue, because we added the hexadecimal code. So in this way you can easily add border color to any element using the border hyphen color property. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set the border color with CSS. Thank you for watching the video.